Hi! In front of me is ZTE A53 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can apply Apple layout on this Android. Firstly, go into Play Store and download free app called Launcher iOS 16 from this developer. When it's ready, open it. Then, in order to use this app, select While Using and Allow in all the pop-ups. When you're done, close Launcher app and go into Devices settings. In them, tap on Apps section, select Default Apps, and tap on Home app. Lastly, just click on iOS Launcher, hit Got It, and as you can see after that, Apple layout was applied successfully on my device. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!